Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add document field on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select settings. Now scroll down and on your left side select document custom fields. Now get to the top right corner and here select add document field. Now you need to fulfill all of these details like the name, field type, initial value, elaboration, formatting, and after that you need to fill up input limit, validation, advanced. And after filling out all of these requirements, you need to select on the save button which is on the bottom left corner. And after doing this, now you guys can successfully add document field on DocuSign. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.